Hello everyone, welcome to another video of FFL 24/7. We are at a Jeep Dodge Paramus showroom in New Jersey and we are going to be reviewing this 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4-door Rubicon 4XE today. So just taking a look at the front profile. So this is giving you a very traditional look of the Jeep, so made for off-road and rugged experience. So taking a look at the ground clearance, you pretty much got nothing to worry about because you have excellent ground clearance. And taking a look at this beautiful grille design, so they kept it very traditional, but don't get deceived by the look. So this car has a lot of cool features as well. So you're getting those LED premium reflector headlamps with your daytime running lamps on the side. You got your front LED fog lamps and this beautiful black hood, and the combination of blue and black color goes pretty much very nicely. So take a look at these massive wheels. So they're going to pretty much keep you on the ground on all kinds of terrain. So this is packed with third generation heavy duty 44 front axle and also wide full floating rear axle. So this blue and black combination is giving me very cool vibes because this is kind of in a way signifying electric element that we have in this beautiful Jeep. So you're getting the Wrangler logo and this trail rated 4x4 logo on the side. So these are your very traditional Jeep side doors. Just a quick side profile view how this Jeep looks. So this is actually pretty high. So and this is going to be your interior that we will be checking out in a little bit, so just hang tight. So I am seeing a lot of cool stuff in there that I am myself also very excited to take a look. But let's first go towards the back side and see how the back looks. So you are getting those LED tail lamps. So this is very simple and basic and traditional. So they have kept things very old fashioned, but yet again, like I said, do not get deceived by the look. So this car is packed with a lot of performance and a lot of modern cool features. So that 4XE is gonna make sure you and keep reminding you that this is an electric hybrid vehicle. So let's open the trunk space. So how you can open it. So there is like kind of a small door that you can use the handle with a button to open it, and you have some access to this space. So in case you don't want to open the whole trunk, but in case you also want to open this glass, you can just press this button and this whole thing comes out. So this is all hydraulic assisted but manual, so not electronically assisted. So you are welcome to a pretty much very decent space in the trunk. So don't get confused by this hook. This is actually where the door is going to close and latch on to. You're getting your 12 volts charging. And in here, if you lift this lid, you have some little bit of storage. Not sure what exactly you can put on there, but I guess for some kind of tools or some handy stuff that you want to put in there. So just to give you some extra little bit of space. So I think I am taking a look at those speakers. So these are your premium audio Alpine speakers you are getting in the back of your trunk on both sides. So these are going to provide you excellent sound system with the accompanying bass for your volume. So let's close this thing back up. So first, obviously, you have to close this glass lid. Very simple, and it's not a whole lot harder. So and just close this door back up, and you're getting again obviously this full wheel in the back with your back brake lights. So just taking a look at the side profile, this is your fuel tank on your left side. This is going to give you an average of 20 mpg gas average, but with the electric combined, this gives you 49 mpg hybrid. So this is going to be your plug-in hybrid electric system where you can charge this Jeep. So this gives you, I think, 25 miles of electric range. So you can just simply open this and plug in your charger, and this will be charging your plug-in hybrid 4XE Jeep for you. So these are some just warning signs and features of what comes with this one. So with the combined, it is giving you 49 mpg hybrid performance. So that is actually not a whole lot bad for considering that this is actually a Jeep. So again, I am very excited to check the interior of this beautiful Jeep. So let's go ahead and check it out. So it does come with a keyless entry. So as long as you have the key, you can simply open the door. So taking a look at the door, I am a little bit pleasantly shocked or surprised, you want to call it, because this is very simplistic soft touch plastic material in here. So nothing really fancy or premium going on. And I'm looking for something that is missing here, and that is going to be your window controls. Well, we will find out. So these are your regular side mirror controls, your standard good quality sturdy doorknob, your lock and unlock buttons. So these are your seat adjustments. So remember, this is going to be meant for off-road performance. So they have kept things, I think, in very much thing. So you're getting those Wrangler logo at the bottom. So, and one thing to notice is the seats are actually the cloth seating. So they are not giving you the leather seating in this base model. You're getting this blue Rubicon logo at the back of your seats. and this will be your adjustment for the seats, and I think that this lever is for your height adjustment for the seats, if you guys can notice. So obviously you ain't got time for your manual, electronic adjustment when you're doing your off-road experience. And on that note, let's actually get ourselves seated inside this beautiful Jeep and see how it looks. So again, this steering wheel is not gonna make you forget that this is a Jeep, so they are keeping things again very traditional and yet very modern at the same time. So on the side, you're getting your fuel tank button open, and this is your mode setting for hybrid, electric, and your e-save mode. And these are your light controls and your headlight controls. So these are your air conditioning vents on the side, and these are just your manual controls. So this steering wheel is actually manually adjustable, so this is like a base model, so they're not giving you electronically adjustable steering wheel. So this is your beautiful Jeep logo in the center that you're getting. You got your some volume controls on the left side and some cruise control modes on your right side. So the steering wheel is actually heated and wrapped with premium leather, so it's obviously giving you a very good grip. So it's gonna make sure when you're doing your off-road experience, it will still provide you good grip. So, and for the height, I hope you guys can see how high this vehicle is from the ground. And this is your Uconnect 12.3 inches modern touchscreen display coming with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And for the air conditioning controls, I'm very impressed that you have all the manual buttons and controls for your air conditioning and your dual climate control, so nothing all touchscreen. So again, that is going to be your window control, guys, that we were missing on the side door. So you can actually control your side mirrors for all passengers from this center console. So, and this is also giving you a 12-volt charging, and this is obviously your off-roading feature, so you can shift between 2XL and 4XL using this extra gear control. So this is going to be your adjustment for your off-road experience, so if you guys can see. And very standard gear shift control, so giving you very good grip and a sturdy control. So you are getting the manual handbrake, your 2 cup holders with a cell phone place to store in between. Let's take a look at the storage console. So this is actually not a whole lot wider. It goes down very deep, but not a whole lot wider. So, and you also have some little bit of extra space in here. So not sure exactly what you can put for, maybe your cell phone, but I am a little bit concerned if it's gonna fix maybe my Apple or Samsung S23 Ultra, but I'm not exactly sure, but some space to go about. And seats are again a very good quality, but you're not getting the leather seating in this particular trim. And this is taking a look at the side profile of your passenger side. Again, just a simple unlock buttons and your regular door knob, and this is going to be your handle for grip because for your off-road experience, so just to give some extra support for your passenger side. So to open this dashboard storage, so this actually is not a whole lot wider, but it goes down very deep. So not a whole lot wider, but still some very good and decent space in here. And that is just going to be an overall look of your side profile. And this roof is actually the metal roof. So, and obviously you can take this roof off in the summer, for example, if you want some experience, because you have this metal structure still protecting you. So this roof is actually a custom made, and you can take it out if you want to have some extra fun during the summertime. So these are just some controls for your assist in case of an emergency. So your regular auto dimming rear view mirror. And that's just an overall view of the back seat passenger seating area that we will be checking out next, how it looks and how much legroom we are going to be getting. So that is pretty much about the front section of the car. So I am excited to check how much legroom we are going to be getting in the back passenger seating area. Again, opening the door, very simplistic design. So all you are getting is your door open knob. So again, very simple soft touch plastic material in here. And again, the stuff that is missing in here is your window controls that I will tell you in a little bit where it is hidden. So you're getting those 4xe hybrid logo in here. Again, you're getting this cloth seating for the back passenger as well. So same pretty much quality that we have in the front. So let's get ourselves actually seated. So this Jeep is actually pretty high from the ground, but they are providing you this support that you can use to easily get access into the back passenger seating area. Again, taking a look at the legroom. So I am 5'11", so sitting pretty much comfortably and still have a decent amount of legroom in front of my knees. On the ceiling, you are getting those same Alpine premium audio system. And again, coming down to the air conditioning vent, so these are going to be your regular climate control for the back passengers. Again, that is where your window controls are hiding, guys. So you can control your side windows from these buttons. So if you notice that they are missing from the side doors but they are giving you the controls down here. So a little bit of an awkward design, so not something I have seen regularly. So, and you're getting those regular USB charging, so USB-C and actually the regular USB charging as well. And this is your home outlet charging spot, and some kind of storage in here. So not exactly sure what this is for, but again, this is something to go about, I guess. So this is just the overall view of the passenger seating area, and you also have this armrest actually. So let's open it and see what is actually inside this armrest. So just giving you 2 cup holders and some armrest support for your hands. So let's close this back up. So nothing very fancy going on in here. So that's just an overall view of the trunk space that we checked out in the beginning. If you want, so please do feel free to check it out again. And this is the rugged metal structure that is going to protect you, because remember the ceiling that you have on the top, that you can remove this in the summer. And now comes the very good question. So how much of this Jeep is going to cost you? Because this is, remember, going to be your plug-in hybrid electric Jeep. You're getting the 25 miles electric range in this vehicle. So the base price of this a beautiful Jeep Rubicon Wrangler is $60,585, but with the optional features that are included, it goes up to $68,295, guys. So I hope you guys like the video review of this Jeep Wrangler. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.